Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this Thermacell mosquito repellent. This is the M300 repeller. So let's take it out of the case. Now getting it out of the case can be a little tricky. There's two little tabs that it slides on. Now in the top of the box you do get this butane, so be careful. This is flammable. This is a fuel that we're going to put into it. And you also get 3 of these pads. The pads contain the mosquito repellent, so they're in this sealed container. Take it out, this is what they look like. You're going to slide it onto this platform right here. Okay, so take the pad. There's a little area for it to slide into. Very simple. Now we got to insert the fuel. Very easy. Press here. Take the cap off of the butane. It does turn a little bit. Now those are threads, and we're going to thread that in down there. So just set it in there like this, and then just kind of thread it in a little bit, and it'll stop. Don't over tighten it. There is a level indicator to show you how much fuel you have left. It is a liquid. And you can even see in the back here. Next, let's put this back on. Now lighting it is very simple because we've got a window up here that we're going to look for the red glow. The first thing you do is turn this on, wait 5 to 10 seconds. You're going to hear some butane coming out. Then click this 3 to 5 times really quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now look for the glow. Okay, we can see the glow. It's down in there. If you've got the glow, that means your flame is on. If you did not get the glow, maybe you want to turn it off and start again, but turn it on and just hit this. This is an igniter. That's all that's doing, is like igniting that. And then we can see that glow down there. Now we know it's working. Okay, so the butane that comes with it is 12 hours. So you get 12 hours out of this entire bottle of butane. Now it does take 10 to 30 minutes to kind of get the whole area with the scent in the air as far as repelling mosquitoes. And again, it's going to heat this up. It's going to heat that pad up. We're already at 106. That's only been about, maybe 3 minutes. Now each of the blue mats is good for 4 hours. So you get 4 hours out of this mat. And it does say it creates a 15-foot zone. Now that's going to depend a lot on how much airflow, but it does say 15 feet. Now I don't really smell a scent. If I put my nose kind of right up here, I can kind of smell like a hint of a scent. It's not real powerful or anything. And you will hear that fuel that's being burned. And again, you should see that pilot light down there the whole time. That's the flame down there. Okay, so let's go over some overall measurements. You're looking at right about 8 3/4, left to right about 3. The handles about 2. Depth-wise, right there is about 1 3/4. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes. Let's take a look. Yeah, it's heating up really good. Now you do want to be careful. You don't want to put your hand completely over that. You definitely could get burned. But just general touching kind of like that doesn't do too bad. Now you will get just little puffs of smoke off of here a little bit. Okay, so it's been about 10 minutes and we're up to over 220 degrees on that pad. Again, you can see kind of the scent coming off of the pad. Again, the back's not hot. You don't want to cover that. Now, a casual touch would be just fine. So that's about the maximum I'm seeing is 230 degrees on that pad. So these really do work well. You don't smell a whole lot like bug spray. I really do like these. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.